does finish balls, it looks. I mean, he's got some, obviously, some young girl fans there that are just giggling away on the front row.
And he's got a highest world ranking of #8, and obviously still very young, 24 years of age. Dessouky. Hopefully, that knee surgery, that knee problem is going to be the last
hand out for 3.
And he's going to show us what he can do in the next few years.
And early 80s. Working him well here, Selby.
Down.
Yeah, so lucky. I do feel that when he does force those back wall boasts, Daryl, he's got to make Dessouky pay even more, you know.
Confident though, isn't he, Dessouky? I don't think that's worrying him too much. He's 5 points clear.
Well, he doesn't have that air about him.
Always.
Oh,
I mean, look at that.
gosh.
That is
Oh, my
so Oh, wow. Well, you said Selby needed to do something special. That was pretty special.
Hand out.
That's the quality that he's got to find, Daryl Selby. He's got to find it quickly now, consistently. Went for the biggie.
Missed it this time.
Down.
He's tried something a little bit tricky. He can make that kind of shot, Daryl Selby, but
8-2.
it's just not working for him. It's just been some of the best hitting I've ever seen, I think. Absolutely amazing.
Well, he's done it. So the crowd slightly quiet. Ferris Dessouky has been far too good.
11-5.
Daryl Selby couldn't really get going. It's really tough call for him. He's come up against Dessouky, looking and playing very sharp squash. 25 minutes in duration. Mathieu Castagnet, and the fact that it doesn't matter who he plays, even if he's coming into this with a 6-0 head-to-head against Parky, he's going to throw absolutely everything at Rösner, and Rösner's going to have to win.
Yeah, he has to believe.
Rösner has to.
Hand out.
Yeah, he's not good width. Rösner's
7-6.
Score all day long. I mean, he got all his body and hips.
Yeah, no ask from Rösner. He's stitched himself up with a loose shot there. And Castagnet, yeah, at the start of the second, but he just got off on the wrong foot, and
It's a bit
Rossler,
too late now.
yeah, did the exact opposite and really put his head down and started thinking and playing thinking squash.
Yeah,
9-3.
So Rossler is on to march. In response, this is definitely going to a third game.
Well, he read that one.
11-3. Again to
Like the
Rösner.
volley from James to win the match yesterday.
Full sitting on the cushion right in front of it, blocking out the rest of the family. But I hope you're enjoying the squash tonight, and I really do hope that PJ's pulling his weight around the house and not just being weighted on hand and foot,
Hand
as
out.
he usually does wherever else he goes.
2-all.
It's a great change of direction. What a pickup, because that was a phenomenal volley. This is brutal. Whoa, what a shot.
Oh, he got it.
Down.
Got it first bounce, but not above the 10, yeah.
Ah!
Wow.
Hand out.
Oh, he couldn't have stretched out any further.
Match ball.
Missed the sausage.
Well, this is edge of the seat stuff, Joe. I literally am on the edge of my seat.
I know, you're breathing heavily in anticipation.
I feel like I'm on there.
Hear you puffing. I love it when it's like this, because something will just go bonkers.
Yeah, absolutely. Both players pressing here, but
Just waiting for an opportunity. And they're not just having a Tuesday night. Chill out down the backhand wall. They're waiting.
Oh,
there it is!
11-9.
There it is. Rösner makes the error. Castagnet
2 games to 1.
gets the win. I mean, it's an
11-8.
unbelievable hunting ground here for
3-11.
Castagnet.
11-9.
Having won this title before, he's only got 4 PSA titles, and he's won the Canary Wharf Classic before. He's had a shocking amount of injuries over this last kind of 2 years, and he's come out in this best of 3. You would say that a best of 3 wouldn't really suit Castagnet. 55 minutes of superb squash. The French warrior takes down the tree chopper.
So, ladies and gentlemen, Tom Richards in the red top.
Oh, it's a great shot. It's a wicked shot.
And out 3-6.
Slight rotation of the shoulder there from Richards to get a bit of extra power. Snapping that racket face.
Castanet's on a mission this week. He's won this tournament before, so I think that is going to be a competitive match. But it has opened up. There's opportunities now in the bottom half. And I think you feel that the match of the day for you is going to be Makin and Lee. Yeah, I think it will be a great match.
It will be. I mean,
And out 7-3.
He's playing well here. 6 game balls now.
11-4, game to Koll.
Kohl
leads 1 game to love.
on lockdown, very, very solid. Really do need to get the... Good pace change. Yeah, it's too good.
Beautiful shot. Just clipping the nick there. It was running in tight either
And
way,
out
but
7-4.
found the nick.
Tom
It's very
Richards.
accurate tonight, Paul Coll.
Yeah, he is. Appreciating that one.
Fantastic movement. He's
Got
going
it
to get
again.
that. Is it clean?
Yeah, it's got it. Just keeps coming back. This is
Cool.
it's going. Richards
Wow.
again is just chucking everything out. It's coming back. Oh my gosh!
I've never seen retrievals like this. It's ridiculous.
He's saying it's down. Tom Richards waves his hand. He's buffing. He's buffing, which is obvious. I mean, that was an unreal rally. The rally before was tough, but that one was even more so. Richards, there's a kick of the old ball.
5-8.
Old school rest tactics.
Yeah, it was good. That was that's the measure of quality that you need against Paul Coll. There was 5 or 6 retrievals there that were outrageous.
Looking to close this one out.
That's
There we
great
have it.
hold.
So the damage was done previously.
11-5. match
Paul
to
Coll,
2 games
very
to
good
love.
focus.
11-4.
Visualised the win. 27 minutes. That's impressive. Under 30 minutes from Paul Coll. The tempo was high. Very positive squash.
Started off his campaign on Sunday, beating Greg Marsh in straight games. That could have been a very difficult...
Yeah, and I think he's still one of the best of all time, but these days it's probably Ali Farag who's of that ilk. Maybe Gawad on his best days.
No.
So Lee just promoting a few more balls
7-4.
nicely in the front of the court. Just countering, waiting for the
Good
opportunity.
tactics, the movement is fluid, as always. He's reading the Makin game well. Just a bit careless there. The ball was dropping low off the sidewall, and
9-5.
it was probably the wrong.
What,
not off the squat.
Well,
squash
sorry,
court either.
what, a nightclub or anything?
Yeah, a couple of chip shops.
Right. You're a big fan of Hong Kong, Parky, aren't you?
11-6, game to Lee.
So Max
Lee
Lee
leads
takes
1
first
game
blood
to love.
in this last match of this evening's play. Slightly slow start from Joel Makin, and then Max Lee, the more positive going forward.
Max Lee in this match. Must have played a couple more, but it's been a while. That's for sure.
Up.
Oh, that's really good play again from the Hong Kong player.
And out, 1-2.
Just set it up nicely for that volley. Little head nod. Well, I've just had a message from my better half, and I know that all the viewers.
One after the other now. This is more like it. This is how he played
Unbelievable
in his
attack.
first round.
9-4.
Brian is now freed from his crate and watching the squash with glee.
Oh, I bet he is. Still can't believe you keep him in a cage.
Crate.
And out,
They like to
5-9.
be, in the wild, they like to be in a den.
Down. 11-6 game to Makin, 1 game all. Out.
Well, good catch from whoever that was in the audience. Very nonchalant, one hand.
7-4.
Oh, he's pushing now. The Golden Tiger.
What's this? Second row. Easy.
Yeah, cricket. This is where Max Lee's dangerous, because suddenly out of nowhere
He does
he
that.
does this out of nowhere.
He
Honestly,
relaxes, doesn't he? And he's got so much skill.
he just
He's
And out,
underrated in that area.
8-10 match
you
ball.
just you set yourself slightly back and you get a bit passive, and then
Ooh, that was a lucky.
Oh! Video referee decision. Can you please check this? The contact, Mr. Makin.
right.
Well, John Makin is a very fair player. He wouldn't make it up, and obviously we've got evidence.
You sound like you're working for the Scotland Yard.
We have evidence. We can check.
Inspector
Yeah.
Park. Well, he's given
Yeah,
a
I can see
stroke.
what you're saying.
This prevented, affected for me.
I just can't take that very
11-9
seriously.
match
But
to
yeah,
Makin, 2 games to 1.
it is a stroke, and it is match to Joel
Makin
Makin.
wins 6-11,
So always a sad
11-6,
way to end. However,
11-9.
Joel Makin has dug himself out well here. 47-minute second round encounter with the higher seeded Max Lee winning 2 games to 1 to book his place in tomorrow's quarter-finals.
To add insult to injury, he just can't leave the court after the loss.
Max Lee's got a sense of humour about this. He's actually smiling. I'd have literally just gone straight through the door, taken it with me.
Or over the top. If he had the
No,
energy.
straight through the door.